In English grammar, we often get confused with singular and plural. How do we write? The plural of one child, many children's, or many children? The plural of one leaf, many leaves, or many leaves? The plural of one ship, many ships, or still sheep? If you are confused right now, this video is made exactly for you. Today, we will learn the complete rules of singular and plural in English grammar with 50 examples that will clear every confusion of yours forever. Dear audience, welcome back to our channel Try to Learn, where grammar becomes simple and fun. Now, let's get started with today's video. Let us understand in simple language what is singular and what is plural. Singular means single, meaning one. If I am talking about one of an object, then it is singular. For example, one book, one mango, etc. Plural means more than one. If I am talking about multiple objects, then it becomes plural. For example, 2 books, 3 boys, 5 mangoes, etc. In English grammar, there are 6 important rules that tell us how to change a singular noun into a plural one. Let's learn all the 6 rules with examples. Rule number 1. Most of the nouns, we can simply convert the singular form into plural form just by adding a s at the end of the word. For example, our first word is book. The plural form of book is books. As you can see, I have just added a s at the end of the word. Second word is pen. The plural form of pen is pens. Next word is chair. The plural form of chair is chairs. Next word is table. The plural form of table is tables. Now, tell us the plural of dog. Of course, we will add a s at the end and it becomes dogs. So, the plural of dog is dogs. Next word is car. The plural of car is cars. Next word is bird. The plural of bird is birds. Next word is star. The plural of star is stars. Next word is flower. The plural of flower is flowers. This is the easiest rule. Most English nouns follow it. So whenever you are in doubt, try adding s first to convert it into a plural form. Next, rule number 2. When a noun ends in s, double s, sh, ch, x or o, we can convert its singular form into the plural form by adding es at the end of the word. For example, our first word is bus. Its plural will become buses. As you can see, we have added es at the end of the word. Next word is class. The plural form of class is classes. Next word is brush. Its plural form is brushes. Next word is branch. Its plural form is branches. Next word is church. The plural form of church is churches. Next word is box. The plural of box is boxes. Next word is fox. The plural of fox is foxes. Next word is mango. The plural of mango is mangoes. Next word is potato. The plural word of potato is potatoes. Next word is tomato. The plural of tomato is tomatoes. Next word is watch. Now, notice this word. W-A-T-C-H. What does the word end with? C-H. So, how do we convert it into plural? We will add es at the end. So, the plural form of watch is watches. Similarly, the plural form of bench will become? Yes, please comment down below the answer. Of course, the plural form of bench will be benches. Next is rule number 3. When a noun ends in f or fe, we will remove the f or fe and we will add ves to convert it into plural. Let's understand this with our first example. Our first word is leaf. As you can see, the word is ending with f Now what we will do, we will remove F from the end and we will add VES. So the plural of leaf becomes leaves. Next word is knife. The plural of the word knife is knives. Next word is wolf. The plural of wolf is wolves. Next word is wife. The plural of wife is wives. Next word is half. The plural of the word half is halves. Next word is life. As you can see, the word is ending with FE. So, to convert it into plural form, we will remove FE and we will replace it with VES. So, the plural of life becomes lives. The next word is scarf. The plural of scarf is scarves. Now, I am giving you two words, ROOF, roof, and the other word is CHIEF, chief. Now, comment down below the plural forms of these two words. Next is rule number 4. When a noun ends in a consonant plus Y, we will remove the Y and will add IES. So, our word is baby. As you can see in the word, B is consonant and it is ending with Y. So what we will do is, we will remove the Y and we will replace it with IES. Okay. So the plural form of baby will become babies. Similarly, the plural of the word city will become cities. Next word is the plural of story. The plural of story is stories. Next word is boy. As you can see in the word boy, O is not a consonant, it is a vowel, but the word ends with Y. So what we will do is, we won't add IES. Instead, we will just add a S. So the plural form of boy will become boys. Next word is penny. The plural of penny is pennies. For the next word, key, as you can see, E is a vowel and not a consonant. And since the word is ending with Y, we will not add IES. Instead, we will add simply a S. So the plural form of key is keys. Next word is lady. The plural of lady is ladies. Next word is fly. The plural form of butter is flies. Next word is country. The plural of country is countries. Next is rule number 5. Some nouns do not change at all. That means the singular and plural are exactly the same word. Let's understand this rule with the help of examples. First word is ship. The plural of ship is ship. Next word is deer. The plural of deer is deer. Next word is ship. Next word is fish. The plural of fish is fish. Next word is aircraft. Its plural will also remain aircraft. Next word is species. Its plural will also remain species. Next word is series. The plural will remain series. So this rule clears the confusion that we had in the starting of our video. If I have one sheep in my garden and I get more, I'll still say that I have many sheep and not ships. Okay? Now let's move forward with the rule number 6. Rule number 6 focuses on the irregular plurals. These nouns change completely. There is no rule. You must memorize them separately. And also we have made a separate video on this particular topic, irregular plurals, which is already live on our channel. The link is in the description box as well as in the I button above. You can click and check it out after completing this lesson. Now, let's continue with this video. First word is child. The plural of child is children. Next word is men. Its plural is men. You can replace the A with a E. Similarly, for women, we will write the plural as women, where we will replace the A with a E. Next word is tooth. Its plural is teeth. Next word is foot. Its plural is feet. Next word is mouse. The plural of mouse is mice. And our very last one, How many of you have heard the word oxen? An ox is a strong working animal and its plural is oxen. Completely different from what you might expect. Completely different from what you might expect.